How to block someone on LinkedIn without opening profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up LinkedIn on a device. Before starting the video, let me remind you that you cannot block someone without visiting their profile. But there is a way to visit their profile without them knowing. First of all, tap on the profile at the top left corner. Now go to settings. Now tap on visibility. Now tap on profile viewing options. Now select private mode. Now simply go back. Now open up the profile you want to block. Now tap on three dots. Now tap on three dots. Now tap on block. Again tap on block. Now click on block. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.